chapter, that is your chapter number 12, atoms. Firstly, what is the atom? Atom are the particular thing which are made from small element. There are basically 118 element that you have read in your chemistry, and from there atom what we get, that's the molecule. Okay, so in the all the particular molecule there is a one common atom, that is the negative one, that we call that electron. So first scientist who give an idea about the atom is the Thomson. What he suggests, like there is a plum pudding model, like in the India what we see, there is a sweet dish of kheer in which we put a dry fruit or the dry nuts. So like this is the kheer, if we put a dry nuts having a two different variety, that is one is the positive one, another is the negative one. So this is the similar to some dish, that is the plum pudding. So here there are equal number of the that electron and the positive one with equally space, but this model failed because as we see, this is the positive ion and the negative ion, if they are present, then why they are not attracting at each other, and why they are not, like if they are not attracting each other, why the whole the thing don't lie at the center of आफ्टर ऑल द अट्रैक्शन. डैट मीन अगर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आयन अगर इक्वली स्पेस है तो एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं, और अगर अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो कोई मास कहीं पे बन क्यों नहीं रहा. सो दिस थॉमसन मॉडल फेल. जो थॉमसन का आगे स्टूडेंट आया था रदरफोर्ड, ही जस्ट सजेस्टेड ए मॉडल लाइक positive ion are located at the center, okay, with a, like if there is a 200 unit of mass, like 198 mass is of that of the positive ion and 2 unit mass of that of the electron that lies outward. So due to this this model has been suggested by the Rutherford, and further experiment on this is given by his two of the student of the Rutherford, that are the Giger and the Master. So like they suggested, we for getting an idea about this model how it like, तो कैसे ये मतलब ये पॉजिटिव आइन सेंटर पे लोकेटेड करता है और सारा का सारा स्पेस खाली होता है और आउटवर्ड एंट्री पे इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है. उसके लिए जो दो स्टूडेंट थे, जीजर और मास्टर ने, उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट करके इसको जस्टिफाई किया था. तो क्या किया था, सबसे पहले उन्होंने गोल्ड मेटल लिया था. बिकॉज why they have taken the gold metal, like if we taken a gold metal having equal number of, like there are so many atoms are there. firstly मतलब इसका वेट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है गोल्ड मेटल का, जिसके कारण अगर वेट ज़्यादा होगा तो उसमें जो एटम्स होंगे वो बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे. अगर हम उसको बीट आउट करेंगे तो ये शेप बनेगी, उसके बाद अगर बीट आउट और करेंगे तो ये शेप बनेगी. सो gold atom, like gold metal, will take a shape as thin as possible without breaking. And the second reason was it is the heaviest metal, so it consists so much of that atom, so there will be a good matter to do the study. These two are the particular reason for doing the experiment on that gold, heaviest metal, so the atom are the larger, and it will explain us a better way to study. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, दे कैन बी एक्सपेंडेड विदाउट ब्रेकिंग. अगर हम इस पे यहाँ पे हैमर से इसको मतलब साइज शॉर्टर करेंगे तो मेटल यहाँ पे ऐसे आ जाएंगे, उसके बाद यहाँ आ जाएंगे. सो इट विल टेक ए शेप ऑफ थिन फिल्म एज मच पॉसिबल एज इट कैन बी. सो दैट्स वाई वी टेकन ए that gold metal, not we taken that this particular two student, that Giger and Marsden, taken for the experiment.